It's Anthony Scott, and today we're diving into one of the biggest myths out there, that you need a massive following to start making real money online. And I'm here to tell you that's complete nonsense. You don't need thousands of followers, fancy equipment, or even a perfect plan to start making bank right now. What you need is the right strategy, the right mindset, and a little bit of hustle. So let me show you how to make money with 0 followers. The internet is filled with people chasing followers, thinking the more they have, the more money they'll make. But let me ask you this. How many of those creators with 100K followers or more are actually cashing in big? Now, in some cases, sure. Probably not as many as you think, though. Why? Because they're focused on vanity metrics instead of value. And that's where you're going to flip the script. Now, creating value-driven content, before you even think about followers, think about value. What can you offer that solves a problem, that fills a gap, and that addresses a specific pain point, maybe even right now? Now, I'm not talking about trying to be everything to everyone. I would say pick a niche, own it, and offer something that makes people's lives easier, better, or more interesting and actionable. Let's say, for example, you know how to cook a killer steak. Show people, not a 30-minute cooking show though. I'm talking about a quick, punchy video that gets straight to the point. Give them a reason to say, hey, I need to see more of this. I need to see that recipe. Help people complete one thing. Now, would you really create a program around cooking a killer steak? Maybe, if it's that good. Now, the truth is people don't follow numbers, they follow value. You create that value and the money will follow, even if the followers don't come right away. Monetizing before the followers come. Now let's talk about the meat and potatoes. Monetizing your content with followers, you're not waiting around for someone to hand you a golden ticket. You're taking what you've got and turning it into cold hard cash. Affiliate marketing. You don't need 1 million followers to make money with affiliate marketing. Start with the products you actually use and believe in, share your honest thoughts, and link it. Every click, every purchase puts money in your pocket. And of course, with affiliate marketing, what does work best is if you have an audience of raving fans that love you. That makes sales easier. Now, selling digital products. Create something once, sell it forever, over and over on autopilot. Whether it's an ebook, a guide, a course, whatever, put it out there. You don't need a massive audience. You need a product that solves a problem from A to B. And in my experience, solving one problem. With the right promotion, you can make money while you sleep with digital products. Consulting services. So you have skills people need. You don't need a big following to start consulting. Offer your expertise to a handful of clients, deliver results, and they'll pay you what you're worth. That's cash in the bank without a single follower. Now, let's talk about strategic partnerships and collaborations, because this is another way to play the game starter. Not harder, but leveraging strategic partnerships. You might not have followers, but guess what? Someone else does. Collaborate. You bring the value, they bring the audience. It's a win-win. So here's an example. Reach out to a micro creator in your niche. Offer them a percentage of the sales for promoting your product. They get paid. You get exposure and sales. You're leveraging their followers without needing any of your own, even if they sold your consulting or coaching services. That's another way. The power of paid advertising. So let's talk about paid advertising for a second. While everyone's scrambling for organic reach, you're going to cut through the noise with targeted ads. You don't need followers to run ads, you need a budget and a killer offer. Now, if you want to run a Facebook or Instagram ad campaign targeting people interested in your niche, you can start small, $5 a day. However, some of the best results are starting around $30 a day to $100. And remember that this is a pay-to-play game, and scale up as you see the results. And direct them to your product, your service, or your offer. You're getting in front of the right people, making sales, and you still don't need any followers. But of course, it is a pay-to-play. Let's talk about the winner's attitude and the mindset that goes with it. So now, all this strategy doesn't mean anything if your mindset isn't right. Here's the truth. Most people aren't ready to do what it takes. They're waiting for permission, for someone to tell them they're good enough, not you. You're here because you know you've got what it takes. Success doesn't come from followers. It comes from believing in your value, putting yourself out there, and refusing to take no for an answer. If you're committed to that, nothing can stop you. So what's your next move? Stop chasing followers, start creating value, find a product, a service, or an idea that you believe in, and start selling it? Use the strategies that I've shared. Keep your head in the game, and I guarantee you'll start seeing results. Remember, you don't need followers to make money. You need drive, strategy, and the willingness to go out there and take what's yours. So go do it. And guys, if you're really looking for the blueprint that really demystifies passive income, Course Income Accelerator, hit the link below. See you guys.